Welcome students. Today in class 8 science we are going to learn the chapter 8 cell structure and functions. And today's topic is comparison between plant cell and animal cell. So before going to that differences we have to learn what is cell. So cell is the structural and functional unit of living things. So both animals and plants are made up of cells. So each and every organism surrounding us is made up of cell. So the plant cell and animal cell are more or less similar, but then also they have some structural differences. And today we are going to explore those differences. So in basic way, the animal cells are little bit smaller than the plant cell. So the cell structure are little bit smaller in case of animal cells. Then the plant cell have an extra layer outside its cell membrane that is called cell wall. So and in animal cell you cannot see any kinds of cell wall, but in the plant cell you can see a cell wall around its cell membrane made up of cellulose. And in animal there is no cell wall. So in plant cell the cell wall is made up of cellulose. So next, what are the differences? In plant cell you can see chloroplast or plastid cell organelles, but in animals you cannot see any kinds of plastid. So plastid is a characteristic of a plant cell, and plastid contains chlorophyll, that is called chloroplast, and for that reason plants are autotrophs and can do photosynthesis, but animals there is no chloroplast, so they are heterotrophs. Then the next point is the animal cell does not have any vacuoles, but plant cell you can see a large vacuole is there. And in animal cell if sometimes vacuoles are present, but it is very small in size, but in plant cell the vacuoles is centrally located and it is of great size. Then the animal cell have a separate thing that is called centrioles. So in animal cells the centriole is present, which helps in cell division in case of animal cell. But in plant cell there is no centrioles. They divides or cell division takes place by the help of astral rays. Okay, so centrioles present in the animal cell helps in cell division. So these are the basic differences between the plant cell and animal cell. But other than those, both the cell contains double-walled mitochondria. So you know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Both of the cell contains Golgi apparatus, so which is basically used for secretion of different types of materials. Then both of the cell contains ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum. It may be rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So both the cells or both the types of cells have ribosome and rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so both the cell have the cytoplasm in which all the cell organelles are present. Okay, but and the main thing is that both the cell contains a nucleus, and nucleus have the four main parts, that is nucleolus, nucleoplasm and nuclear membrane, and inside there is chromatin network which is made up of DNA and histone protein. So this is about total comparison between the plant cell and animal cell. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.